This Get Started in PDM demonstration shows how the implementation of a product data management system benefits creators and consumers of CAD data. We will use Teamcenter Express and Solid Edge to illustrate how important PDM functionality can be made largely transparent to the CAD user. Here we have started the CAD application and we select the Open Existing Document command. The system understands we have chosen to work with a PDM database and prompts us to log in. The standard Open File dialog is presented. We can browse the folder structure of the PDM database, our local file folders, or we can choose to search the PDM database. The PDM search dialog is now presented. We can choose to use an existing saved search. Some examples are shown here. Or we can create a new search. In this example, we'll create a new search to find all the assemblies in the HM series. The search has found 2 assemblies. When we select one, a graphical preview is displayed. We can now look at the structure of this assembly and select which parts or subassemblies should be checked out to the user and which will be copied out as read-only references. We can also apply a revision rule to control which revisions of the assembly components will be opened in the CAD application. For example, we can choose to open all the latest released components or the latest working components, which would include components that have not yet been released. The assembly is now opened in the CAD application. Note how key PDM data is displayed in the Assembly Pathfinder panel. For example, we can see that the top-level assembly is checked out to the current user and contains the latest working revisions of all components. We can also see that 2 of the components are checked out by a different user. This information helps the user to work collaboratively with other design team members. We can also easily configure the PDM information that is displayed in this dialog. Here, we're specifying that the document number and revision attributes should be displayed in the Assembly Pathfinder. These settings will become the default for this user. Integration between a CAD application and PDM facilitates everyday design tasks involving the creation and management of CAD data. In this example, we want to edit this frame component. The system informs us that this is a released read-only file, so we need to run the revision command to create a new revision. You can see that revisions A and B of this component already exist. When we click on New, a new revision is created and the revision is automatically assigned as C. The CAD integration recognizes that a new drawing will be required for this component. This drawing is automatically created and checked into the PDM database. We will now refresh the Assembly Pathfinder display, and you can see that we now have revision C of the frame component ready for our design modification. In addition to the Solid Edge integration, it's important to note that Teamcenter Express is a true multi-CAD solution that supports integration with a wide range of CAD systems.